Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn about how we can check our account balance in Google Pay. So first of all, we should have Google Pay linked to our mobile number. If you don't have, just get it into Google Play Store and install it and link it to your mobile number. Now I am going to Google Pay home page. Here we are on Google Pay home page. So down below, if you scroll it down below, you will find view account balance here. It's so simple video. I'm not taking much time. Just click it and it will show you whatever the accounts, bank accounts you have linked to your Google Pay. So if you have already linked to your Google Pay, that will show you here. I will be showing my account here. It will ask you 4-digit UPI pin. My 4-digit UPI pin is 1234. After giving my 4-digit pin, just go to OK. Then it will show the balance amount whichever is there in my bank account. Similarly, you also can check your bank balance by giving your UPI pin, going to Google Pay. It's so simple to check your bank account balance, right? Kindly subscribe the channel. If you like this video, please share it the work to with a lot of friends so that they will also come to know, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.